towns and villages. The government believes there could be billions of barrels of oil under some of the country's wealthiest areas. Jason Farrell reports.
Underneath this countryside sits huge reserves of oil. Scientists will say issues remain over how much can be extracted cost-effectively, but it's there. Now the government is set to change the law so they can access it. The British Geological Survey looked at the Weald Basin, which covers Sussex, Hampshire and Kent. The areas here indicate existing small-scale oil production, but the study finds the potential for billions of barrels of oil. In the north, a similar study estimated reserves of 1,300 trillion cubic feet of gas. But in both cases, it can only be accessed by the controversial technique of fracking. In recent years, there have been protests in areas where companies have gained fracking licences, such as Balcombe in Sussex, where Green MP Caroline Lucas was arrested during a demonstration. Campaigners fear the process can cause earthquakes, scar the countryside, clog country roads with tankers and use chemicals that may contaminate the water supply.
If climate change is as urgent as all the scientists say it is, then certainly we cannot actually use those deposits. We have to think about reducing our carbon emissions, not burning more and more oil.
Today, the government is also set to announce how they plan to overcome legal objections that are used to delay fracking, potentially changing the trespass laws to allow firms to drill without landowners' permission.